In this video, I'm going to show you how to get us some of your login information from your old host and domain name registrar, etc. So let's go to thrive.design/client info. All right, let me try to explain what each of these items are. Obviously, your company name is you. Now, your domain registrar, this is somewhere you're paying probably $15 or so per year for the rights to use your particular URL. So whatever your .com address is. And there's going to be a username and password to get into that system. It's probably going to be GoDaddy or Namecheap or something like that. And then if you are not hosting with me currently, just let me know who that host is. It could be GoDaddy or HostGator or Kinsta, and then what the username and password is to the hosting company itself. So the domain name registration company can sometimes be different than the hosting company, and that's why I ask for these different username and passwords. If they're the same, like if GoDaddy is both hosting your website and GoDaddy is also where your domain is registered, you can provide the same username and password for both. And then finally, I'll be looking for your current website login. I may not have this already, so you can just put that down here, your username and your password and the URL you use to log into your websites. So I know that may seem like a lot. It's your domain name registration login, your hosting login, as well as your website login. If you don't know what these are, that's fine. We can hop on a screen share. I can walk you through it and investigate where those items could be, what those logins could be. And we can also contact these companies on your behalf and figure out how to get that information to you. Let me know if you get stuck. Thanks.